world does not love bass, man. Oh, look, they're loving, boy. 3 weeks away, baby, to hear this. Ain't nothing in the world better than some bass therapy.
Hey, what's up, everybody? EXO coming at you here, feeling freaking great, and I hope your day brings you smiles too, because I'm really glad to have you here. On the menu for today is a potentially troublesome visit from our fellow basshead, but because we took the time to help out, in the end, problems were solved and bass started pumping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let the owner, Mike Gibson, explain just how he landed himself here in our driveway today.
Let me explain it. So for a while, whenever you turn the truck on, you would hear the subs click in, like boom, boom. So I started looking around, and on this cord right here, it was really loose because it's like a phone cord. So Anthony stuck a little piece of a match tip in there and it solved the problem. So I knew I needed to get that fixed. So we was riding down the road. I heard kabloo, kabloo, kabloo. We stopped, pulled over, disconnected everything. And Didi said it was a blown capacitor. So they replaced it, got it fixed with the power lights on, the fans on, my voltage reading. But I'm not getting none of that bass head therapy.
So basically, a problem happened, and now that it was fixed, it doesn't seem like it was even before the problem happened?
Yeah, it's not, there's no bass.
Okay, we'll take a quick look at it. We don't have any promises here, but damn.
Be my hero, baby.
Yeah, I'll try my best. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so go into your head unit settings and we'll see, because obviously the battery was reset, so we'll go in and check a couple things on there. Oh, get that on flat. Loudness, get that off. Subwoofer. Oh, dude! Your subwoofer wasn't on.
I'm a hunky leg, dude.
You saw that right here. It said subwoofer off. Now it says normal. We'll keep it real low. Oh, I heard something. What the hell was that, dude?
See, I believe whoever makes these cords.
Was that, dude?
That's that cord.
That sounded like a pop.
Yeah.
Let me go. Is it better not be in protect, dude? We didn't even do anything.
It's this.
Dude, it's in protect. Turn the amp off. Yeah, turn the amp off. It literally just went into protect.
I think that this is wore out and it's not putting that pressure.
I really would not doubt that, man. If you had to jerry-rig it.
Yeah, we had to put a piece of paper behind here. And then it would be tight in there and it wouldn't do it.
Well, how would you like, my good sir, a brand new bass knob? Yeah, I'm gonna hook you up with a brand new RCA level knob, and we're gonna get this out of here and see if the green light stays green. So go ahead and turn everything back on, and hopefully she'll stay out of protect. Keep the volume turned down all the way up there.
We're good on power, no protect.
No protect?
No protect.
All right, see, that's crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna run inside and I'm gonna hook you up with a bass knob, man. I'm gonna let him decide which one he wants, because I have literally 10 different bass knobs from 10 different manufacturers, because we have a video coming up comparing different bass knobs. So I'll go ahead and buy another one and I'll let him pick any old bass knob he wants.
Ah, my man.
Yeah, pick your favorite one.
No, I want you to pick me once, because that'd be an EXO pick, and I love you, brother.
All right, well,
so you pick me out
since you already have one that has a voltmeter, let's not take anything away from you. There's one that has a voltmeter in there.
Let's see what we got.
Yeah, we got the, which one's that? The Audio Tech. There's the one right there.
That big boy?
Yeah. So we might not.
EXO one.
Yeah, we'll have to come back another day, because this is gonna take, maybe an hour or so to get going the right way. We'll make a little video of it. So
all right, perfect.
You got free time coming up in a couple days?
I do. You tell me when you're free, I'm free.
All right, dude, we'll get that rolling up here soon.
Can I still bump without the bass knob?
Oh yeah, just use your dial on your head unit and the subwoofer up and down on your head unit.
Thank you, brother.
Hey, it's my pleasure.
I started this a couple years ago whenever actually I was following you, and it motivated me to get into car audio. I had the 04 Chevy Astro van, jacked it up. Started off with 2 12s, then watched some more of your videos, got hooked. Now I'm doing 3 DC level 518s with 1 M5 amp, 2 XX Pirates 8500s. This is holding me off until we release the Bass Brute, which was designed and built by David Berger, Mark Scholler at DB Designs. 12 DD 18800 series. We've been working on it for 2.5, 3 years. This is a dream come true. This is what watching people like you has motivated me to do. I take care of it, but I own Outback ATV Park. It's gonna get dusty, but she's starting to split apart right here. I gotta do a little prep work. You see,
We pay all this money to get loud, then we start breaking stuff and pay even more to make it stay together.
it constantly breaks these little brackets off, so you gotta kind of make sure. Bam! Look at that, first try.
Well, you're saying all, you're basing all day. How about we go ahead and hear it ourselves? That's it.
Hey, 3 weeks away, baby, to hear this.
Yeah?
Yeah, baby. Ain't nothing in the world better than some bass therapy.
Surprised the hell out of me. Holy crap.
Oh, look, they love it, boy. Who in the world does not love bass, man? I can run that amp 10 hours a day, and that summer gun has never, ever one time overheated.
That's awesome. So literally, that one time where it went in protect earlier just goes to show something as simple as a small little component like this can make something as big as an amplifier have a bad day.
Yahoo! These bad boy about to dance, son.
Oh, look at that, PSI soft parts. PSI. That was awesome, dude. That'll do it for. Holy shit!
DB Designs, baby.
Holy crap! That's awesome. Thank you so much. You should see what this looks like on video. It's hellacious. I think that's a perfect way to sign the video out. Hanging out with my man Mike Gibson.
Hey, we brothers, man.
Hey,
We're friends.
it started out as something potentially bad, but we ended up having a great time here. Great day. Basing out.
Feel it, man.
Basing out with our bros.
Jamming.
Barely even getting warm. Well, actually, she's a little warm, but the sun's blaring.
Whew.
Until the next video, guys, this is EXO, signing out.